What's your intuitive language? Intuition, a word, a vibration of knowing, to trust, have faith in the unknown. Intuition, an eye that helps you see clearly. It sees in the dark, shines light on your path. Can you see it? Intuition, an ear, to hear what's near. Listen to the whisper before it gets loud. Create your soul song and stand out of the crowd. Intuition, a taste of bitter or sweet. It depends on your choice, on what you like to eat. Intuition, a smell, a scent of your nose. Follow its fragrance for you to know. Intuition, a feeling, guiding you home. Heart open wide, vulnerable with love, your truth revealed. Intuition, an action to take at crossroads. A step, a jump, a leap of faith of your heart. Intuition, be present or you'll miss it. A sign so subtle, so soft and gentle, like the kiss of an angel. Intuition, a feather, a brick or a bus. Intuition, a step, a push or a shove. Intuition is an expression of truth that speaks to only you. What are you going to do?